Shorty actually swing off on you with a knife?
Oh, you got something to show.
We have the scar. Yes, I'm not going to this job on it.
Is that your main problem with Alkaline? That he was just unwilling to acknowledge that?
No, I mean, no problem with him. I didn't mean to create the problem there.
Okay.
Wow.
Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we will review the biggest interview of the century, which is Vybz Kartel going on, the fix he addressed allegedly attempting to clip Popcaan wings. He also discussed Shorty attacking him back in idea with a knife. Also, he addressed Sir P. He addressed Alkaline. So many different things. Also, we saw him the other day reuniting with some of the old Gaza Empire, but we also saw a video where he reunited with Not Nice and Da Vinci and also Black Rhino. So there's lots to get into. Stay tuned for the video, but before we get into it, make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and share. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Check this out.
Even to be charged for murder.
Yeah, right?
It's so weird.
Did
you do it for real?
She thinks I did it. Bro, too much people are depend on me. When me fi take personal, me have to stand up and fight. Me couldn't take nothing personal. Bro, me in myself.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
They want kill woman for them front.
Yeah.
Me not buy that, bro. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We yes, man.
I'm not buying front neither.
Speak for yourself. So me can't talk about the alternate universe where if you never met Bounty, you would still be rich. That is your reading. Read I go suck your man. Me have to talk about the universe so me know. You know what? Kartel deserve for their president.
With them song, Kartel is good.
Yo, nah, fuck you know that. Anything me go and suck pussy and it's sweet. Never do this. Until then, we don't get that blood. Me like, I'm not blood clot like.
Shorty actually swing off on you with a knife?
Oh, you got something to show.
We have the scar. Yes, I'm not going to this job on it. Where's the last drama this teacher?
Last drama. Teacher.
Alright. This is the last drama. This is the last drama.
Obviously,
This is the last drama. Last class. They are me hard and Narbrook. Them days say, nah, behave myself. I go and be a fuckery. Bring one brown in my yard.
Kartel of a type.
Yeah. Bring a brown in, got me. No, me like but don't like you.
We'll find you a long time.
Only because me love you. Anyway.
At that time, love Harry.
Anyway. You mix up. Anyway, Daddy and cause Shorty as short as she is, me have some tall wall in her book. She jump them like she a ninja. Flick over.
As a bad girl. Boom.
Drop there. Drape up girl, big warrior go on. Me going part the fight. Mash up Sean Stamp car glass. So hear me now. Me a go on like me a gangster.
That's why you have to buy him back a car.
The girl jumping at it. Who will reach this head? Well, it depends on what TJ said. But anyway, the girl jumping at the car, Shorty run out. Big stone, mash up the car glass. Bshing, bshing. Narbrook town ghetto. Alright.
Wow.
Bro. And when me and Shorty war, the next day we have to go courts. Every furniture mash up, TV, fridge, you have to buy back.
Serious.
Bro.
Yeah.
Me someone get mad and fling on a big stone in her car. She just fling back 3 buckle in my blood clot car. So we have to go the Benz place, get by the X6, the S-Class thing. You be a fucker anyway.
You bad but me badder.
Yeah, so me and I have 2 more people, Waterford and Christian Penn.
Oh my God.
But we're not a Christian friend. Anyway, so, anyway, the girl jumping at the car and Shorty run out and mash up Sean Stam driver car glass. Pishing! So me I go them, I said the blood clot there. Them time there, Remember the left hand me hold, So Shorty did done, broke her buckle. I don't know if it's a buckle or a high speak. But she goes and tap me. But me no feel it. Cause you know through your heart and
Yeah.
So me I one up myself, so you see to me. General, you know see you get stabbed here. Because I see you with the way. I see what I'm throw the king, you see what's in the area. And chuck it out. I reached that doctor. The doctor saw me up.
the queen.
Yes, sir. I saw the song.
Did you tell the doctor what actually happened?
No, you're not in business.
Now, like that interview just looks so fun. Kartel is wholeheartedly, authentically himself. And, you know, me like how them ask, you know, the direct questions everybody feel to ask. And, yeah, he might talk him truth and he might be himself. And he just look like a cool uncle that were fun to be around, you know? So they asked him about the infamous question about him and Alkaline getting along. And he said that the media is the ones that turned the two artists against each other, which is true. That's how they always do. You know, if a top artist and a new one come in and they do the comparison, and then eventually man ego, you know, and get into their head. But this is what Kartel has to say about that situation. Check this out.
Is that your main problem with Alkaline, that he was just unwilling to acknowledge that?
No, I mean, no problem with them. I didn't mean to create the problem there.
Okay.
So when him first bust onto the scene, and he was clearly doing things to, at least he was clearly inspired by you, and people that call it out, and people say acknowledge it, it never bothered you.
No, but what? We remember we are war artists, war angel, my name. But when I had a problem, why would that prayer get to youth for rich?
Yeah.
Come on, dog.
Did you ever pre man a level to go to war with him?
No, cause a kid.
Oh.
My, you know, you have what you call that, something where you pick your favorite footballer them in the game?
The manager league.
Yeah, the mood I want to see him massacre him for them generation. And that's gonna be a good war.
Yeah, it would.
Because two of them different in the way me and my father did different, in the way Beanie and Bunty did different, in the way Ninja and Shabba did different. Kartel not ear said that I play. The fuck you mean me not ear said that I play? What you think?
You're not deaf.
Me fucking intoxicated or yeah?
Yeah.
Am I deaf?
Yeah.
Me good, me blessed. Me not a problem with no artist, bro. Me good. Right now, no artist can draw me out for me even say me want clash.
Yeah.
As I said this teacher, let's take a journey in time.
Yes.
There's a,
Yes.
Yeah, whatever. Who's the fuck man worry kids?
so even when him take the pot shots at you, like,
No, you
never.
do your thing, youth. You can't stop me, and I can't stop you.
Alright, so I'm glad he cleared the air about that. Kartel no word about nobody. Him just come from jail and him enjoying time and in freedom. You understand? I think he's more focused on reuniting and catching up with his old pals from who he did a hang around before he go to jail. And as you can see here, he link up with Popcaan, Jaffinchi, Not Nice, and even Black Rhino. But remember when Popcaan did take a picture with Vybz Kartel and Black Rhino and post on Instagram and now deleted, he was like, we no big friend. So I said, I know say my true word. I know him and Popcaan no good. But if Kartel in the mix, them are for good. And look at this picture. Best Christmas news ever. Big up Kartel, isn't it? One unity, one love. We love to see that. Love to see that. Still on Vybz Kartel. Now, the infamous story about Kartel's in Manfi and Popcaan. You know, everybody will hear that from Sir P. And even DJ, I forgot his name, that fat boy, that's friends with Drake. He even came out with a video and said, when, you know, we are learning also Sir P get that from. So Kartel addressed that rumor and check this out. This is what he said.
speaking of our teacher, we see that, you know, you and Popcaan good, and it's very good to see.
Yes.
Very good to see.
Yes.
But we've been saying, yo, there was some trouble there, of course.
I'm gonna tell you.
What was the issues
I'm
that you
gonna
had
tell
with him
you.
before?
So TJ, yeah. No, I'm gonna give him a quick summary.
Alright.
The hunger issue me and Papi have, when me just get locked up in their prison, without consulting me, him signed to Patrick Roberts. Just imagine this, you just get locked up, and you're there in a jail cell, and see Popcaan on TV, say him signed to Patrick Roberts, and him not tell you. I remember me understand, cause made it, we second shoot apart from Father Romeish, was shocking vibes at the time. That's the only issue. That's why my son they do the song with him not just Popcaan.
Popcaan.
That's it.
Not in the line.
And notice, Papi, at no time, never say nothing.
Yeah.
That's true.
Bad boy Kartel.
That's
Yeah.
true.
Same when me and Killer. Yeah.
Speaking of child teacher.
I mean, I say, me no boy my tongue, and I say, you use your tongue more thing.
Hey, you know the man that's in the
Even me know, that's a show. Hold on.
Cartel.
Beat me now, yeah.
Yeah, what for
Beat me now. Go on.
There's many a road trips with them. I will play them, rinse them song. Then we say, you know what? Cartel deserve for their prison. For them song,
Man,
like, yo, Cartel is good.
Yo, Nara, fuck you know that. Bro,
Cartel,
I mean, I say, me no boy. So, Popcaan, at the same thing, me and him, and even them time when we sang though, me and Popcaan never stop link. Him and Mad Sus, you know, notice everyone is a Popcaan and they say Mad Sus as well.
Yeah.
They do never stop link.
So, hold on, did you have a conversation with him about the Patrick Roberts thing
Yeah.
at any point?
Yeah, but my son them being, you notice who did say the line there. Because people think of me write the song. I write the song from them time.
But
That a little
you
addy.
authorize it though.
A little, no, me, of course.
You authorize it.
But me not have a problem with artistic expression.
Okay.
And a little addy, I notice that him go on, you know. So I saw it go, but yeah, me not no time I never pre Papi. Like pan that. And him know teacher though, cause even Alkaline, yes, so 10 Alkaline, right? And we start the thing. Me bring Papi to the forefront, independent teacher's pet as a prefect, come I'm the teacher, so that so the whole thing. And so imagine you're a prisoner and without you consulting you're gonna say you bring the fix go somewhere else and you use see them and TG instead of area. Good. Exactly. Because you just watch pan TV and you see that and him never tell you.
Nobody never leave.
This and that was it. Yeah. And then the public run with it. Oh, Kartel, Popcaan, Rob Kartel, or Kartel did a Rob Papi, that's why I'm switch. And him did with Shorty, bro. Come on, bro.
Wait, Sir P, they say something about
When is Sir P?
a little YouTuber.
Yeah, the little YouTuber.
I don't know him.
You were you concerned about that? Like, you know, you say everything. Like, were you concerned that his thing would ruin your appeal?
No, him and nobody.
Okay.
Come on, man.
Okay.
May I watch you and Naro and Javi because on a show on the face. What in a court of law, what them say? You have the right to see your accuser. Thank you very much. I mean, if me I come be a witness against you, you have to show my face in a court and point by you and say, you Harry, give her the pussy and I want to kill you. Jesus. You understand? No man, when they behind closed door and a change in voice, can't do nothing to me. We not look by you and point proven. But they are road, I'm good.
So
You
like,
ever just watching video them and laugh? Like listen to the video.
Me used to watch the first few and laugh, and then the last one I watched was the one where they must say try kill Popcaan.
Yes.
And me and Popcaan have a laugh about it. Remember TJ? Nigga, we at top. Them do even know the link with me and Popcaan bigger than music, bro.
Yeah.
It deep, bro. It deep, bro.
Marshall, remember the party?
It deep. You know Mariana Trench?
You know the party when the two of them forward and you go
Mariana Trench, brother.
and you go before Popcaan. And Popcaan look and say, we party there.
Bro, no.
Party
Papi, I
there.
want fuck him, man, you know. Yeah, fuck him, man. But I mean and him. Yeah, bro, it deeper than Mariana
I think that
Trench.
wasn't true, like what Serpy asked about you want to try kill Popcaan.
Kill Popcaan. Your mother
would
come
you
like
tell us if it was true?
No, but mother tell you. Hold on, no, seriously no.
If you're honest.
No, watch this. No, then which man I gonna come incriminate himself?
I remember saying Area Fits.
But mother tell you say no, but mother tell you so them boy they are pussy. Wait. Bro, I love the puppy. Where you talk about dog? Try kill Popcaan. I love them you out there. Remember, bro, you even know. I remember, you know, one Spanish Town link. So when them attack, Popcaan, your Spanish Town and Kartel. You're gonna suck your mother. So you remove your pussy wall and come down. Nobody never the puppy nothing.
Kartel also addressed the word Romeish sending people to beat up TJ situation. This is what he had to say.
Feel like Romeish was behind that.
Him love the behind things.
You know the people them, you know the talk. Even when you make a post for them people them say Romeish they attack. What's it when they attack?
Yeah.
With the whole thing surrounding Romeish, I think it
Puppy know if you frightened.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm not even dopey, my puppy. Yeah, how the fuck you beat up? Come on, bro. Bro, come on, man. Yeah, bro. Like, what them days are done. Yeah. Beat up people, bro. Leave people with them opinion, brother, and ignore them. So him. Yeah, leave
So
people
you
with them
guys aren't
opinion.
friends. I thought you guys would be like.
No, man, I have a problem with him, you know.
Oh, okay.
Straight up, come and tell you, I'm not old grudge.
If you've reached this far in the video, thank you for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Leave a like on this video, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.